Right, so the computer I had to write off, I've taken the hard drive out, double checked this and formatted it. This was not the problem. So what I've done is bought a SATA hard drive enclosure, and we are going to just turn this into a backup drive for the Lenovo all-in-one that I've videoed today. So this was from Amazon. It's a USB 3, 2 and 1.1 compatible SATA 3, SATA 2, yeah, well, it covers pretty much whatever disk you've got. So yeah, we're going to get the drive installed in this, and hopefully it will be nice and straightforward. This one does require the use of a power supply and a special USB type lead there. It's an RSH 319, and we've got loads of instructions in multiple languages. Hopefully we won't be requiring any of those. We've got a very basic screwdriver and some screws. Wow, this couldn't be any lighter, could it? So on the, is that the back or the front? I guess that's the back. We have the USB in, 12 volt DC and power buttons. So it looks like this needs to be undone. Or does it? Let's have a quick peek of the instructions before we go forcing anything. It doesn't actually need it. Slide off the top cover insert. Yeah, so it looks like this just slides off as we are there. Yeah, no problems at all. We are going to go and slide the hard drive in, and then that will screw in underneath. There we go, and that is in. Yeah, 4 screws underneath, but we'll put the lid on first. Hopefully that will hold it securely. Okay. Doesn't actually, so we will have to just hold that in place while we put the screws in. Okay, so that is done. There we go. So I suppose we might as well take the camera over to the Lenovo and just plug this in. This is not the longest of adapter cables, but it should be fine. Plug that in there. Now I think you've got to press and hold the on-off button to get this to work, so we'll be doing that in a minute. Let's get that plugged in. I'm going to grab the camera and we'll take this over to the Lenovo and plug it in. Hopefully we will have an instant backup drive. Let's put the camera down for a moment whilst we plug this in. Actually, let's put that down there. I'm going to put this around the back and we'll just plug it in. Right, so not recognised at the moment, so let's press and hold. Power's on. Yeah, just saw a little light come on there, little ding from the computer. Hopefully that will fire up in a moment. There we go. So let's grab this mouse and let's have a look. So we can open the file. There we go. So Windows D that is coming up as. I think we will rename that. We certainly don't want it called Windows D. So 900 gig, it's a 1 terabyte drive. So we are, can we rename it? I suspect we can somewhere. Yeah, there we go. Let's just call it, if I can do it one-handed, backup drive. So we call it a backup drive and we'll click OK. So yeah, that's all good. So there we go, we've got a nice backup drive there ready to go. From, at least we managed to save something from the old PC. So all good. So that is the RSHTECH USB to SATA enclosure, £20 that one, and yeah, also the last of the filming of this Lenovo. Very happy with this. I think my friend will be delighted to get that to replace his old PC. It's 1920 by 1080. It's not a 4K one. They are substantially more expensive, and this is not required in this instance. So yeah, hope that was useful. Hard drive case is absolutely fine, and the Lenovo also is very good for the price.